Right, welcome back. The next thing to do after setting up your VTU portal is to configure your API key so that your portal will start dispersing data and the rest of them. And to do this is very easy. What you need to do, come to the admin section of your site, of your application rather, then log in, as we're going to see now. So right here from our sample here, we have our site on nairasen.com.ng/app. Then our admin section is going to be /VTU Admin. So it's going to be your site name.com/app/VTU Admin. Here is it. So you have VTU Admin here. Then you're going to log in with your default login. The default login is admin. Password is control123. You have this when you in the email that will be sent to you when you purchase the application. So you're going to have the login details also there. So you now click on login. Alright, this is the admin section of the VTU portal creator. This is your gateway balance. That's the balance where you'll be selling from. You have to top up your balance. Then whenever your customer make purchase, a fraction will be deducted from your MEM at gateway balance, whereas your customer will be charged normal rate. So for instance, now somebody bought airtime of 1,000 naira, and you have 1,000 naira here, for instance. Then the system will deduct like 960 naira here, whereas you charge your customer 1,000 naira. So 60 naira becomes your profit. Now here, to get started, we're going to configure our API, because your application needs to interact with a gateway provider before it can dispense data and airtime. And to do this, you go to API section. You go to API section, click on API setting. Okay, so you need to get an API key from your provider and paste it right here. Then API key can be gotten by clicking this link. You can click on don't have API key yet, then click on create API key. So you're going to open an ePIN's sign up page for you. So if you don't have ePIN account already, all you need to do is to fill this form to get your own free ePIN account. Then you can now log in and upgrade the account to a reseller and generate your API key. If you generate your API key is a confidential keys, so you don't need to, it can be made public. It's a secret key that your server used to connect on a gateway. So when you fill the form here, you'll be taken to a login section. Then all you need to do, enter the details that you filled, then that's email or phone number that you used to sign up, and then the password. Then it take you to the main dashboard. So inside the main dashboard, you are going to see okay, let me just use let me log in as a sample. Okay, so right here we have the dashboard. So when you log in, you have to upgrade the account to reseller, because this account is already a reseller account. You upgrade to reseller. Then after you have upgraded, you click on create API key. Click on create API key. So this will give you a key that you need to enter into this section. Then you click save. Click save, and once you save it, you come back to home. You are going to see any fund you have in your EPINs in your portal admin. So anytime you credit your wallet here, that's your gateway wallet here, automatically the money will be reflecting on your portal admin. That's how very simple it is. So all you need to do is to credit your account here using any means that you want. Then automatically the money will be credited into your own portal, and you can start dispensing. And crediting your wallet is very simple. All you need to just click on credit wallet here in your EPINS account. Then the funding is very automated. You have an auto funding function here, which will automatically top up your wallet once you make transfer to any of these bank account number. So you can just open your bank app or use POS and tell them to transfer money. If it's POS, you just transfer any amount you want to add to your wallet into this Wema Bank account number. This account number is strictly for you, so it's only for you that uses this number to top up only your own account. So once a money is being transferred to this bank account number, this Wema Bank account number, or Sterling Bank account number, or Money Point account number, automatically your balance here will be credited, and your gateway automatically will be credited. So that's how you set up the gateway. Then another thing is you're setting your own price. You're setting your price. That's the selling price, the amount you want to sell to your own audience. With your VTU portal creator, you can decide the amount you want to sell to your own customers. So all you need to do, just click on billing. Then you see your reseller rate, normal rate. There's people that are your reseller, how much will they be buying. You set the price here. How much your resellers will be buying from you is calculated in percentage. So you can just have like some like SME, how much you want airtime, how much percent you want to offer it. Then after that, you now click on save. Then for your normal user, you set the same process. You can set amount you want to sell. Note that these are in percentage. So if it's this, you can 10%. You can say, okay, I want to set like 1%. You can say 3%. You can say 2%. You can say glow 4%. Depends amount you're getting right here. Then after that, you now click on save. Now to be guided on the price settings, you need to know how much commission or percentage you're getting from your provider. Like on the EPINs, if you come to pricing, click on commissions rate. Then under API column, you're going to see the amount, the discount the system will give you as an API user, as the gateway owner. So you can see here from airtime 2.5%, 2.5 3.5, 4%, 3.5, 1.5, and you see all of that. For SME you have 218, you have gifting from 235, you have 225 Airtel, and the rest of them. So all the column for under API is what applies to you as a portal owner. Then you now use the price here, the percentage here, as a guide to set your own. So like for instance, if I'm getting DSTV at 2.5% on APIs, I can easily come here and DSTV and say I'm giving my customer at 1.5%. okay, DSTV I have 1.2, right? I have 1.2, so I can have I'm giving them at 1%, or even 0.8%, because some providers are not even giving up to 0.2%. So you can start to give 1%, then 0.2% becomes your profit. So amount 0.2% of the amount of package the person recharge. So let's say somebody recharge a 5,500 DSTV, a GoTV or DSTV package, then you percentage of that, 0.5% of that becomes your own profit, depending on what you set here. So that's how you set up your price. So you should not set your price to be above the rate under the API column, otherwise you'll be making loss. So your price should always be below what you have at the API rate. Okay, so that's for that section. Then the next thing you need to do is to configure your site details. So if you look at this place now, this is showing Naira cents automatically. So you have to put all your details, change your logo. You don't have logo yet, you can upload your own logo here by clicking on site settings. Then I change this to your own site name. I can say Naira cents, you can say Naira cents. Then put your phone number here, put your contact email, that way your customer will be replying emails to you. Then this is an important section too. For your registration page, you have to use the system uses the captcha for security purpose. So you have to create a captcha version 2 and enter the site key and security here, secret key rather. So it's very easy. All you need to do, just click on this button, create button, then you log in into your Google account, and you see a captcha. Just enter your domain name there, and after that you're going to give you a site key and a secret key. Then you click on save changes. Then to change your logo, you just click on choose file and select the logo you want to upload. You must have your graphics, that logo designed already. You just upload it. It can be in PNG, JPEG, or web app, that WEBP file. So whichever one you choose to use, just browse for it and upload. And after that you click on change logo. So when you change successfully, your logo is going to be available here. Then the next is to set up your payment settings. That's this payment settings is a setting that controls the card payment on your platform. So customer can pay easily with their ATM card, and their wallet to be credited, or they can get the product delivered instantly to them on the screen. So you need to have a Flutterwave account. then or Paystack account, or both of them, because you can switch anyone at any point you want it. So if you want to use Flutterwave, all you need to do, go to flutterwave.com and sign up, create a free account. When you create account, you log into your dashboard, then from under the settings you can get your public key and secret key. So you enter two of them here. Then the same thing with Paystack. You go to paystack.com and open account. After opening account, you log in and get your secret key and public key, then enter them at this column. Then after that, you click on save settings. So with that, now somebody can pay money into their wallet on your account, on your platform, with their ATM card or bank transfer, whichever one they want. Then after the payment, the money will enter your Flutterwave account. Then Flutterwave will now send your money to from Flutterwave you can transfer it to your bank account, or from Paystack you can transfer it to your bank account, depending on setting you have inside. If you set it to send automatically to your bank account, money will send to your bank account directly. So that's for that. Then final one here is to add your bank account. For those that don't want to pay with their ATM card, they can pay directly to your bank account. So you just select the bank you are using here, select the bank you want to use, enter the account number, account name, and save settings. So that's how you set up automated VTU portal. Then right here, all the transactions that are being performed on your platform, they will all be displaying here in a graphical format. So that is how you set up your VTU portal. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So all you need to do, you can share this video to your friends and family members, or whoever you want to empower, because this is an empowerment program. You can make so much money from this business, because this is a business that is very lucrative. It can run on internet. It runs on internet, not it runs on internet 24 hours. Whether you're sleeping or you're awake, money is being dropped in your bank account. So share this video to as many people as you want, and don't forget to keep an eye, sign up on our APIs, and we'll keep an eye on your email, because we're going to be sending you regular updates on the VTU portal business and the software. So thank you and have a lovely day.